Hello, welcome to Doc Infotech. Have you mistakenly deleted Microsoft Print to PDF or Microsoft XPS Document Writer from your system and you want to bring it back? Don't worry, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will show you. First, let's go and check our Microsoft PDF. Control panel. And that's this one. So let's check devices and printers. Okay, this is Microsoft Print to PDF, Microsoft XPS Document, and maybe by mistakenly you remove it from the device. Yes, this one too. Move it from the device. Yes. Okay, so now you want to use it and you don't know what to do. You close. Let's go to control panel. Let's check again. Not there. So now you don't know what to do. Let's do this. Go to Programs and Features. Turn Windows features on or off. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, this is Microsoft Print to PDF, Microsoft XPS Document Writer. So uncheck. Okay. Close. You restart your system. Okay, refresh. So let's go to control panel again. Let's go to Programs and Features. Turn on. So you go back. Recheck it back. Okay. Okay, look, so let's check device and printer. Bam! It is there. It is there. So that's it. So simple. So anytime that you mistakenly deleted Microsoft Print to PDF, Microsoft XPS Document Writer, so simple. You can follow that step. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up for more tutorials. Stay blessed.